If you're a fan of Pop Mart's famous The Monsters series and especially the adorable Labubu characters, chances are you've come across the labubu.com while searching for collectibles online. And at first glance, it might look like a dream come true for collectors. But is it really as good as it seems, or is it just another risky site you should avoid? The website claims to offer a wide range of Labo collectibles and even tries to build trust by stating that it's been around since 2015. Which sounds pretty convincing, but when you look deeper into the details, the story doesn't quite match up. The domain itself was only registered in February 2025, meaning their claim of being established for a decade doesn't hold water and already raises serious questions about credibility. Another major issue is the lack of transparency. There's no owner name, no company details, and no clear contact information, which makes it nearly impossible to know who's actually running the site or where your money would be going. The product images shown also appear to be pulled from other sources rather than original photos, which is a huge red flag because authentic sellers usually showcase their own pictures of stock. What's even more concerning is that despite the global popularity of Labubu figures, there are absolutely no genuine customer reviews or any kind of online presence from people who've supposedly bought from the store, and that kind of silence is unusual for a shop claiming to deal in such sought-after items. All of these signs combined don't prove it's a scam outright, but they do create an atmosphere of doubt and uncertainty that makes it very difficult to recommend placing an order with confidence. While it's tempting to go after these collectibles at what looks like a convenient one-stop shop, the risks of losing your money or not receiving what you paid for seem higher than the potential reward. So before you make any decisions, think twice, do your research, and consider safer and more established platforms because when it comes to online shopping, especially for collectibles, it's always better to be cautious than regretful.